Is your PS5 stuck with a pulsing blue light and refusing to turn on? Don't panic, because we are going to fix the blue light of death right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This issue usually happens when your console fails to complete its internal hardware check or encounters a video handshake error with your TV. It sounds serious, but most of the time it is just a temporary glitch we can clear manually. Step 1 is the deep power cycle. Unplug the power cord from both the wall and the back of the console. Hold the power button down for 30 seconds to drain every bit of leftover energy. Plug it back in after 2 minutes and try to power it up. Step 2 is checking your HDMI port and cable. The blinking blue light often means the PS5 is waiting for a response from your TV that never comes. Try a different HDMI 2.1 cable or a different port on your television to rule out a connection failure. Step 3 is to reseat your internal SSD if you have added one. A slightly loose storage drive can interrupt the boot sequence. Pop off the side cover and ensure the drive is clicked back into place firmly to ensure a solid connection. Step 4 is booting into safe mode. With the console off, hold the power button until you hear a second beep after 7 seconds. If you can get into this menu, your hardware is likely fine and the issue is just software. Step 5 is changing the HDCP mode. In the safe mode menu, look for the HDCP setting and switch it from automatic to 1.4 only. This can fix compatibility issues with older 4K TVs that cause the blue light hang. Step 6 is to change video output to reset the resolution. Sometimes the PS5 tries to output a signal your screen does not support. Selecting automatic or a lower resolution can force the system to bypass the blinking loop. Step 7 is rebuilding the database. Choose option 5 in safe mode. This scans the entire system for corrupted files that might be stalling the startup process and fixes them without deleting your games. Step 8 is a system software update via a USB drive. If the blue light is caused by a crashed update, download the latest firmware from the PlayStation site on a computer. Plug the drive into your PS5 and select Update System Software in Safe Mode. Step 9 is checking the power source. Plug your PS5 directly into a wall outlet rather than a power strip or surge protector. A failing surge protector might not provide enough initial power for the console to finish booting. Step 10 is checking for hardware obstructions. Look inside the USB ports for any bent pins or debris. A short circuit in a USB port can trigger a safety shutdown that manifests as a blinking blue light. For a pro tip, try removing the faceplates and using a vacuum on the dust catcher holes. If the PS5 detects a rapid heat spike during the initial boot up, it will refuse to turn on as a protective measure. If you are still facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below right now. I will be monitoring the thread, and I will reply to help you out within 1 hour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert fixes. You have got this, and we will get you back to gaming in no time.